with some magnets on an old bread box gave a curious Sonia a real big shock. Slap jam on toast, took a bite and zap. She found herself in Toastville in a snap. Simply extraordinary. It's not usually very scary. Maya, Nick, Bee and Bo, Muffy and Sonia. Sonya from Toastville.
Toastville Sniffles. Hi, everyone. It's me, Sonia. I don't know about you, but my parents are super caring.
There. It's really windy outside.
What a cute doggy.
No. Dogs bite sometimes.
They're constantly making sure that nothing bad happens to me.
So that you don't get heat stroke.
Uh-huh.
Basically, I have no freedom. Toastville isn't like that. There you can do whatever you want. Toastville time for Sonia.
Attention! Attention! An outbreak of the Toastian Sniffles is spreading fast. Nose plugs are highly recommended for everyone so you don't sneeze your brains out. Phew! One big sneeze, no more sniffles. Attention! The Toastville Sniffles! Buy yourself nose plugs right away!
Oh, Sonia! Hiya! Come here, quick! Hiya! I wonder what's going on.
Wait up! Come back here!
Nothing.
I can't watch. So awful. Uh-oh, my nose feels tickly. Oh, no. My nose, too. That toast didn't give us the sniffles. Oh, it did. Don't sneeze. We absolutely have to get plugs for the noses. Hey, you there. Can you hurry it up?
Hey there, girls. You feeling better, I hope?
Hiya, Muffy. Hiya. Yes, thank you.
The one good thing about the Toastville Sniffles is that they go away once you sneeze. Just make sure you have the plugs in. Look at mine. They're colorful. Oh, oops, popcorn. Stop that. I'm gonna sneeze. What do I do now?
Here, take mine. That's nuts, Sonia. They're covered in boogers. You can never use nose plugs more than once. Any ideas how we can plug the other one?
Hey, hi, everyone. Whoa! Muffy wasn't afraid to come outside with the Toastville Sniffles going around?
Hello, Nick. We were just catch it now!
Muffy, it looks like your brains decided to travel around the world. Hey, Muffy, what are you doing?
He's probably going after his brain. Not sure about that.
Don't!
One more. Give me.
Oh, I see. Through his nostril, Muffy sneezed out the brain hemisphere that's responsible for self-preservation.
I want to skate.
We should go look for it before Muffy hurts himself.
Give it to me, Nick. I want to skate.
Full steam ahead to Muffy's half brain, and here we go!
That's such a cute fish. I should post this online. It's a Toastville pickerel. This'll get even more laughs.
Let me catch it.
Muffy, where are you going? Row towards your brain or you'll stay like this forever!
Wow, this fish is so cool.
Whoa, the fishy is hungry! Whoa! Those fishermen got a mind-blowing catch today!
Hurry! Let's get inside that factory! Go! The can!
So dope!
Muffy! Where did that can go?
There it is!
Does anyone remember which one his brain is in?
Oh! It's the one with the fish on it!
Every can has a fish on it!
Strike!
Oh, Muffy!
Muffy, you're gonna get sucked in! Oh no, Muffy! Because of your silly tricks, you might stay half-brained forever!
Oh, Muffy the homebody. What happened to the good old days?
Listen up, guys. I've got a plan. Popcorn, sniff Muffy, please. Find it! Come on! Popcorn, where have you brought us?
This is a fancy restaurant for canned fish-loving folks.
My fellow connoisseurs of canned fish, even the Toastville Sniffles won't get in the way of our feast. I hope you've all sneezed already with your plugs in.
Yes.
And your brains are intact. And now I hereby declare our gala lunch celebrating the arrival of a fresh batch of our favorite delicacies is open!
Excuse me, you can't eat that lunch!
How dare you! I've been waiting for this all morning.
I won't leave with an empty stomach.
Get up!
Never disturb the chairman when he's enjoying his lunch.
Yes.
Whoa, this is something new. Could this be caviar?
So sure you'll like the taste of that!
He's about to.
Muffy, I dare you to jump on this tray, surf right across the table, and steal that penguin's lunch!
Muffy can do it all!
Muffy, you've got a fan.
What is this gross thingy?
We later learned on the ToastNet that thanks to modern medicine, the brain can be reinserted into a Toastian's head by having them drink it through a straw.
Wow.
Muffy, can you show me that cool broken fan trick?
I have brains to think with. I'm not looking for any trouble.
Whoa, hey, welcome back!
It's so great that you're boring again. Well, it's been fun, guys, but I have stuff to do back home. Home time for Sonia. Anyone with brains should understand your loved ones are only looking out for you. Basically, I realize that it's worth listening to the advice of your parents and friends. They always want what is best for you, even though sometimes they can overdo it a little bit. And this one's for 𝐖𝐞𝐥𝐿𝐴. Some fish in Toastville do fly like birds, and vice versa. I'm out. See ya. Bye-bye.
Everybody knows that sneezing is not only about the nose. Everybody knows that sneezing is not only about the nose. everybody knows that the nose is not only for a rose.